ChatGPT is powerful, but using it the wrong way can actually hurt your learning, decisions, and even your privacy. Here are 11 common mistakes people make with AI and what you should do instead. Number 1. Using AI for real world decisions without proper judgment. AI can guide you, but it should never replace professional advice for money, health, or legal matters. Number 2. Submitting AI generated text as your own work. This may save time today, but it weakens your creativity and credibility tomorrow. Number 3. Following AI advice without checking facts. AI can make mistakes, so verification matters. Number 4. Sharing sensitive information like passwords, bank details, or confidential data. Keep personal information protected. Number 5. Asking AI for shortcuts to cheat systems or avoid honest effort. Quick wins often create bigger problems later. Number 6. Skipping the basics and relying only on AI answers. Learn the fundamentals first. Number 7. Replacing thinking with prompting. AI should support your thinking, not do all the thinking for you. Number 8. Trusting outdated or incorrect facts. Technology improves constantly, but mistakes still happen. Number 9. Ignoring bias in AI responses. AI learns from data, and data can sometimes carry bias or incomplete perspectives. Number 10. Overusing AI for simple tasks. You can do it yourself. Convenience is great, but dependency is risky. And number 11. Depending on AI when stressed or emotionally overwhelmed. AI can help organize thoughts, but important emotional or personal decisions need human support and clarity. So, what should you do instead? Learn first, then use AI, verify facts from trusted sources, keep sensitive data offline. Remember, use AI as a tool, not as a crutch. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for smarter tech and AI related content. Thank you so much.